In a hot weather, when you turn on your air conditioner and it starts to turn on and turn off when it's still hot and it's not reached enough cold temperature, it is time to replace the AC clutch relay, which is located in this fuse box. You may use a flat screwdriver or something like this tool just to pry out this cover. Pay attention that this cover latch is located very close to the edge of this box, so you need to insert the flat screwdriver or something flat right between this lock and the fuse box and just pull it out. According to cover schematic, the AC clutch location is here. You can take for orientation where the fuses line up according to schematics relatively to relay location. In my case, relay come out right away. This is relay I just pulled out. It made in Japan. It's supposed to last long. Who knows? I own this car for 10 years and the car in total is 24 years, so maybe it's just time come to replace this one. And the new one is 4 seasons. I bought 2 relays because I have 2 Hondas. It doesn't say actually that it's for 4 seasons on the relay itself, but it says 4 seasons on the box, and the part number for 4 seasons 36017. Since this relay doesn't have a brand name on the relay itself, so I marked with my labels. Just for statistics, next time I would know for how long this relay is going to last and what kind of relay name is it.